For a smooth, professional wood floor finish, it all starts with the right filler. LOBA TrowelFill is a water-based, trowel-ready wood filler designed specifically for filling gaps and fine spaces in hardwood floors. It creates a strong bond, dries hard, won't shrink or pop out, and powders cleanly when sanded, so it won't clog abrasives. TrowelFill is engineered for efficiency. There's no waste. Any unused dry material can be reconstituted with water. It accepts stain and finish evenly, is available in custom colors for common wood species,
and can even be tinted for a custom color match.
Application is simple. After sanding to your medium grit, apply LOBA TrowelFill using a trowel or putty knife, working the material firmly into the joints. Allow it to dry for approximately 30 to 40 minutes. Then complete your final sanding pass, completely removing all dried filler from the surface. For wider gaps, a second application or spot filling may be required. Once sanded, LOBA TrowelFill can be finished with any LOBA water-based sealer or finish, as well as LOBA oil systems, providing flexibility without compromise. At least 2 coats of finish are required for proper performance. Fast drying, easy sanding, consistent color. For professional grade filling that keeps your workflow moving, choose LOBA TrowelFill, built for the way that wood floors really work.